Well, Radhe to everyone. I hope you are fit and healthy at home. So today I have come at Radharani Temple. This is in Vrindavan nearby Mart. It is said that once Radharani ji got angry with Kanaji, so she came at this place, and then this temple it was established. So here finally you can see the temple. It is not much visible. There is Kund. This is called Kund, and I am just having parikrama here. And I have had darshan of Radharani ji. Very close darshan I have had, because there is no much crowd right now. On some specific occasions, the crowd gathers here, but right now this is full of space. Very close darshan people are having, and they are enjoying. And this Kund, people just take a bath also in this pond. It is considered very holy, and this place is full of very pure environment. There is no pollution, the cool air, this place full of oxygen, and it is surrounded by so many trees that I don't feel here that the summer season is going on. So we can also visit this place like to have meditation. One can meditate here, and this place is full of, I think, very much spirituality. We connect ourselves to the spiritual world. The spiritual world we enter when we visit any such type of place. And after that, I will just have parikrama more, then I will go back. So here I just complete this parikrama of this point, and now I have come again at the temple, and as you can see here that there is no much crowd and so many temples. This is temple of Hanumanji here, and then you can see one more temple. This is also of Hanumanji temple, and there are some rooms and buildings, and there are shops here. From there you can buy prasad, and one more temple is there, that is of Hanumanji, and the main temple of Radharani ji, that is a little ahead, and as you can see beside that there is Kund. So here you see the main temple of Radharani ji. Inside it, I think mobile is not allowed. They don't allow, so I cannot take it. Although I have had darshan, just I wanted to show you. You can also visit this temple, and this temple is very much magnificent view you can see here, and you can see there are no many people here, because on some specific occasions only people come. And here you can see the board. Priest Pujari ji are sitting. So this way I am enjoying this place full of spirituality, and whenever I get time, I come here. This is my, I think, third time, and I will now come, I think, in the next month. I'll plan, because this place is not much crowded, so you can stay here and you can have meditation like. So thank you so much.